Let us understand the step-by-step process of recording project delays. In Project Delays form, under the Project Management module, select the project name and sub-project. The name of company will auto-populate. If the activity has levels, select the level accordingly. If there is no activity level, select the activity code. Based on your selection, scheduled task IDs will get filtered automatically. You can also manually select the scheduled task ID. Check the project schedule snapshot taken box to capture a screenshot before updating the delay. Enter the reason or issue for the delay. Activity start date and end date will be auto-fetched. Enter the likely project completion date. The activity delay days will be automatically calculated based on the likely completion date. Select the responsible person's name. If the project end date changes, the project delay days will be auto-fetched accordingly. You can also enter project delays through the interactive DPR form. Select the project and sub-project and group name if any. The activity details will be auto-fetched based on the selected group name. Click Delay to enter relevant details. Enter the issue or reason for the delay. Specify the likely completion date and the responsible person's name. Click Save and the delay will be successfully updated in the project delay form. The process of entering a project delay in StrategicERP is now complete.